Hello, my dear students. So, Javid here, helping you with the revisions for upcoming CBSE Grade 12 exam. Uh, this is revision short 9 for sexual reproduction in flowering plants. We'll be talking about an important topic today, which has been asked many times in CBSE. Competency-based questions mainly come on this topic, outbreeding devices. Most flowering plants bear bisexual flowers. Bisexual means both the sexes are present on the same flower. If self-pollination continues, generations after generations, it leads to inbreeding depression, where our offspring show a reduced vigor and fertility. To avoid this, flowering plants have evolved outbreeding devices that discourage self-pollination and promote genetic diversity. Now, coming back here, you see the first type of the outbreeding devices that has evolved in the plants is dichogamy. It is actually about time difference. In some plants, pollen release and stigma receptivity do not occur at the same time. So that's your dichogamy, time difference. There are two important terms which you need to remember here, protandry and protogyny. If anthers mature first, that is protandry. If stigma matures first, that is protogyny. So there is this time difference prevents the self-pollination. It's very important. Now, number two device is spatial separation. This is also called as herkogamy. This terminology is very important. Herkogamy, then dichogamy. Here, in some flowers, the anther and stigma are placed at different heights or positions. So that's why it's called spatial separation. Because of this spatial separation, pollen cannot reach the stigma of the same flower. It prevents the autogamy. Number three is your self-incompatibility. Self-incompatibility is genetically controlled mechanism. Even if pollen lands on the stigma, it is rejected if it is from the same plant. This rejection may occur by preventing pollen germination or pollen tube formation. That means pollen tube formation will not happen. So the male gamete cannot reach to the egg, female gamete. Then device 4 is unisexual flowers. If a plant is having unisexual flowers, that means a plant is having only one sex, or it is having, let us say, male flowers only, or female flowers only. Then inbreeding depression can be prevented. So we call them as monoecious plants. Like number one is monoecious plants. Here, male and female flowers are on the same plant. Examples are maize, castor. Prevent autogamy, not geitonogamy. So here you can prevent the autogamy. That means this self-pollination, but geitonogamy you cannot prevent. This is very important point. So in monoecious plants, autogamy is prevented, but geitonogamy is not prevented. It is still possible. When we talk about dioecious plants, in dioecious plants, both autogamy and geitonogamy are completely prevented, ensuring cross-pollination. So here both autogamy and geitonogamy is prevented, but in case of the monoecious plants, this autogamy can be prevented, but geitonogamy cannot be prevented. Just remember these things. These are very important points. I hope you understood this topic, outbreeding devices. Thank you.